Happy Hanukkah, day 6 of 8. Okay, let's open gifts now. Are you excited? Okay, let's start. Can you give that one for me first? That one is for Zachary. Okay, Zachary, this is your gift. So what's inside your gift? Ooh, these are clothes, all clothes. Look at that, all clothes. And Kaylee is so excited over there. This is all clothes. So that's for you, Zach. And we're early because we're waiting for Daddy. We're going somewhere. We're going out. And that's your gift. Are you happy with your gift, Kaylee? Who is that? It's Daisy Duck. Can I see? Ooh, it's Daisy Duck. Yay! Okay, open the other one. So tomorrow and next day, you're gonna have at least one gift each. Okay. You wanna help? Let's put the camera here. It's we're in a hurry. Daddy is on the way. Yeah. Ooh.
What's that?
Yeah, look at that.
What's that?
Oh, this is your toy. This is your favorite, remember?
This will be. This is how.
Yes, look at that. Ooh. You already have the small version of this one, but this one is the bigger. This is perfect. Happy Hanukkah! Happy Hanukkah! Are you happy?
Big.
It's big?
Yes.
Okay, bye. I need to throw this in the trash and we're gonna be going. Okay, bye.